हेलो एवरीवन, आज के वीडियो में डिस्कवरी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन को स्टडी करते हैं। दिस प्रोसेस इज वेरी लॉन्ग एंड मैनी साइंटिस्ट कंट्रीब्यूटेड इन दिस प्रोसेस, बट द होल क्रेडिट गोज टू जे थॉमसन इन द डिस्कवरी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन हु यूज 5 tools. First, the glass tube. In the glass tube, we take some sort of gas like the hydrogen gas. Second, vacuum pump. Vacuum pump used to decrease the gas pressure, like we decrease the gas pressure to 10 raised की power minus 3 millimeter mercury. Third, two metallic plates, cathode that is negative charge plate and the anode that is positive charge plate. Fourth, high voltage source like battery, we provide 10,000 volt to ionize the gas inside the tube. Fifth, ammeter that detect the flow of current in the circuit. Experiment को study करते हैं. The discharge tube that has a gas at low pressure, when we provide high voltage, the ammeter show the deflection, mean the current is flowing through the circuit. But here a question arises when cathode and anode are not connected and a gas between them. Gas is an insulator and we all know current doesn't pass through the insulator. Then why ammeter shows the deflection and how current is passing? There are two possibilities. First, something unknown is moving from cathode to anode, or something unknown is moving from anode to cathode. So to find the direction of current flow, he created a hole on the cathode and coated the wall of cathode with fluorescent or zinc sulfide, but he doesn't detect any glow on the fluorescent wall of cathode, so there is no flow from anode to cathode. But when he created a hole on the anode and coated the wall of anode with the fluorescent or zinc sulfide, he detect a glow on the fluorescent wall of anode, means something unknown is moving from cathode to anode. Something unknown that is moving from cathode to anode, he named them cathode rays because these rays are originated from the cathode. Cathode rays की properties को study करते हैं. When cathode rays are passed through the electric or magnetic field, cathode rays are deflected towards the positive plate, and we all know unlike charges attract each other, so the cathode rays are negatively charged. In the absence of electric and magnetic field, cathode rays move in a straight line. Cathode rays don't depend on the material of electrode and the nature of gas inside the glass tube, mean they remain the same inside the glass tube. With the help of Millikan oil drop experiment, we can find the charge on electron, that is 1.6 multiplied 10 raised की power minus 19 coulomb, and the mass of electron is 9.1 multiplied 10 raised की power minus 31 kg. Cathode rays start from the cathode and move towards the anode. Cathode rays are not visible. Their behavior is observed with the help of fluorescent, like when they hit the wall of fluorescent they produces glow. In the presence of electric and magnetic field, cathode rays behave like electrons, and the electron is the basic constituent particle of all materials. If you like this video, follow this account for more videos.